Hi cuties, it's the weekend. Oh my gosh, and I feel so good because I just went in the shower and I washed my hair. But I don't know if you can hear it in my voice, but I'm definitely getting a cold, which is really not ideal. And I had to cancel my plans tonight because I was going to McKenna's birthday celebration, but she just had a baby and I really don't want to be bringing in any germs into her house. So, and I knew that she would appreciate if I, let her know that I was sick and couldn't come. So I'm sad that I can't make it, but yeah, I think that this is the right choice. So I just washed my hair and it felt so good. I don't know when the last time was that I washed my hair, but it wasn't very recently. And now Mac and I are gonna go to the mall because I need to get a present for Liam. We have his birthday, his 4th birthday. Oh my gosh, his 4th birthday tomorrow morning. And then I'm gonna get a gift for McKenna as well because I wanna drop off a gift this weekend. And Mac has a few things that he needs to do. And I have to remember to bring my Uniqlo gift card that I got from the opening. Then we'll get some Nespresso pods and we just have like a couple of things that we need to pick up. So that's gonna be our Friday evening, very exciting.
Trying to do the right thing. I'm trying to do the right thing. I'm trying to do the right thing. I'm trying to do the right thing.
So I really wanted to get this ring from Majuri, this puffy ring, but they didn't have my size. They had it on display, but not available. I'm like, can I buy this one? She's like, no, sorry. So I'm disappointed, but that's okay.
I'm trying to do the right thing. I'm trying to do the right thing. I'm trying to do the
Good morning, happy Saturday. So Mac and I are about to go to my nephew Liam's birthday party, his 4th birthday. Literally, where did the time go? So that's really exciting. It's 10:10. Party starts at 10:30, but Mac is out getting a haircut, so I hope he's home soon.
If you never try, you'll never know, never know. Yeah, if you never try, you'll never know, never know. Yeah, if you never try, you'll never know, never know, baby. No, if you never try, you'll never know, never know. If you never try, you'll never know, never know. Yeah, if you never try, you'll never know, never know. Yeah, if you never.
Okay, so we've just been cleaning, Mac and I. Liam's birthday was so fun, and we just like had a bunch of stuff we had to do around the house, so we've been doing that. It's 5:30, we're gonna eat dinner soon. And last night we started a new TV series called Ripley, and it's so good. We watched 2 episodes last night. They're like 50-minute episodes, and that's my favorite because I find movies to be, I can't sit through them, like they're too long. So I love like a mini series type thing, and it's really good. So we're definitely gonna watch that tonight. But it's been a pretty chill day. After the party, we actually went to Best Buy and got a printer. We're trying to do like one little thing for our office like every weekend, and we wanted to get a printer for the office, so we were like, what can we do this week or this weekend? And we were just like, let's just go buy a printer. So we got a printer and it was on sale for $60, which is so cheap, because we just need a printer to print like important documents like once a quarter, you know? So we just needed like the cheapest one, so we got ourselves a printer. And then I just made us dinner. I made a defined dish recipe. Let me show you. It's this chicken, it's like a curry, but it's like a chicken lime, ooh, what was it called? Coconut lime chicken. Doesn't it look so good? I think I can turn the heat off now. I'm really excited to eat it. Good morning. Oh, I sound stuffed up. I'm so sorry. That's annoying. It is Sunday morning. It is 9:11. I'm just getting the day started. I have some coffee here, and my mom's gonna come over in a little bit. So I think I've probably mentioned on the vlogs, but my mom and stepdad live in Victoria. But my mom comes to visit probably like every like month or 2 months. So I never go too long without seeing her, and I am really close with my mom. And so whenever she's in town, obviously try to make time to see her. So I knew I was gonna see her today, and then at Liam's party yesterday, we were deciding what to do. And I was like, well, why don't you just come over? Because Mac is at work, so we can just like have a little like breakfasty situation here. I don't know yet what I'm gonna make. I have to figure that out. I think she's coming over at like 10:30, so I have a bit of time, but yeah, it just, you know, we can just sit and chill and eat some food and talk. I mean, that's the biggest thing. Like, I don't know, I know everyone's relationship with their parents is different, but like for me and my mom, we just like, we're yapping together. Like we're just like, you know, we're long distance, so we just like catch up and talk about everything. So she'll probably come over for like 2 hours. And then that's kind of like all I have going on today. I do want to try and drop off this present for McKenna, but she said that she won't be home until like much later tonight, so that might be like a later thing. But I'm just gonna do some like more cleaning around the house. I'm kind of annoyed that I was like sick this weekend, because I just like didn't really feel like I got like a weekend. Like I hate to think that tomorrow I'm gonna wake up still feeling sick and I'm gonna have to work. It's been like a very mild cold, like it's not really that bad, but when you're just not feeling your best. And I missed my run yesterday, which I don't love, but I don't want to like push it when I'm sick, you know? So that's kind of the vibe for today. We got groceries delivered yesterday, but I didn't figure out what I wanted to do for meal prep, so I may do some meal prep this morning. You know what I should probably do? I should walk or drive, but I could probably walk to Safeway and get some meal prep ingredients and get some stuff for my mom coming over. I like had this weird idea that I wanted to make a quiche, because I was reading this book and she was talking about like making a quiche, but like that's too much work. I just want to pick up something. I don't know if I'm gonna do like bacon and eggs and toast, or if I'm just gonna get like, I have no idea what I'm gonna get for me and my mom to have for like breakfast. So I don't know, maybe I'll go to the store, get some like meal prep ingredients, and then also get some stuff for breakfast. But I also need to like clean up around here, you know, company's coming. So that's where I'm currently at. Oh, last night, so we were watching that show Ripley on Netflix, and it was really good, but Mac was telling me about the movie, and the movie is from 1999, and it has young Matt Damon and Jude Law, Gwyneth Paltrow, Kate Blanchett, and I was like, I really want to watch the movie. So we switched from watching the show to watching the movie, and the movie was fantastic. I usually don't love old movies like that. I mean, it's not that old, but it was really, really good. The Talented Mr. Ripley. So it was good, but we went to bed late because we started it late. So I was in bed at like 12:30, which is late for me. Okay, I've got to get sorted here, get prepped for company.
Drip, drip, cornflakes. Give you a kiss, kiss, I'll be okay. Drip, drip, lemonade. I need your kiss, kiss to
Hi cuties. So I had a lovely morning with my mom and we just like got really deep. Like my mother is a wise woman. So we got really deep, talked about a lot of stuff and just was like a great little session. And my breakfast spread was perfect. I did toast, butter, jam, bacon, eggs, and it was just perfect. And then I went and dropped her off because my mom and stepdad are sharing a car right now. And so I went and dropped her off at lunch and she was meeting my stepsister and her husband and my stepdad for lunch. And I'm gonna be so for real with y'all. I don't have relationships with my stepsisters and I haven't seen them in, I don't know, like 5+ years, a very long time. And I decided to go into the restaurant and say hello today, which was a big step, honestly. I won't go into the details just because it's family stuff, you know, but I'm very proud of myself and I did that. So I am now just getting gas because I need gas. If this guy would leave the pump, please, sir. And then I might go into Cricket's and get a card for McKenna because I tried to find one at Indigo and there was just, it wasn't the vibe. Cricket's like in Marda Loop is the best place to buy cards. They have like really great pop culture cards. So I'm gonna go in there and get a card and then go home.
I don't wanna know